Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Tuesday, and the date is the 4th of January 2022. Okay, we're talking about weather, and we said that weather can be sunny, cloudy, rainy, or even snowy or windy. See? These are the types of weather. When we are talking about weather, we are describing what? Who can tell me? Habibi. What we are describing when we ask about the weather? Anyone?
Yeah, can I answer?
Yeah, sure. Hi, Malek.
We're describing how it is outside, like sunny or cloudy or rainy or
Okay,
snowy.
very good. So
Windy.
this is a start. You're talking about outside. What's in the outside, ya Malek? Okay, let me help you more. Maluka, if it's very sunny outside, so what it will be?
Hot.
Excellent, hot. Okay, so you are measuring what? You are measuring the water or you are measuring the
Weather.
air? Hi, Malak.
Miss, can you say it again? I didn't hear you.
Malak, you are measuring the water or measuring the air outside?
Measuring the air.
Excellent. So when you are measuring the air around you at a place at a certain time, you are measuring the weather. You were asking about the weather. Very good. If outside was very windy, so the weather will be windy. If there is a snow outside in the air, you're going to say it is snowy. And if there is water outside in the air, it is rainy. If there is no sun, the sun can come and go. So what is the weather outside?
The weather is cloudy.
Yeah, excellent. Well done. So the weather can be cloudy. Okay, so as the water cycle, we said that the sun gives the energy, so the water cycle can start and complete. Also, guys, weather is about the sun. Sun can control the weather too. So sun can change the weather as it can start the water cycle. All right, when we are describing the air around Earth, all right, you are describing a mixture of gases. Now, if the air around Earth is a mixture of gases, what are the two most important gases in the air? What do we breathe? Which kind of gas?
Oxygen.
Excellent. We breathe oxygen. Okay, there is something else very important in the air around us. What do we call it? We call it water vapor.
Vapor.
Excellent girl. Excellent, yeah. Maluka, water vapor. So we have oxygen and water vapor are the two most important things or gases in the air. Now, all the mixture of gases in the air around the whole Earth, what do we call them?
Atmosphere.
Excellent. We call it the atmosphere. Now say it again after me, girls. We call it the
Atmosphere.
atmosphere. Very good, very good. So when you are describing the weather, are you describing the atmosphere?
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. When you are asking what is the weather today, you're asking about the atmosphere in a certain day. Right? Very good. And also, yesterday we were talking about the type of clouds. The types of clouds can be cirrus, cumulus, stratus, and cumulonimbus. Now, which one is the thunderstorm? Which one tells you that there is a thunderstorm? Is it cumulus?
Cumulum, cumul, cumul,
Excellent, excellent.
Cumulus.
Very good, Yalamar. The cumulonimbus, the very big, huge cloud, means it is going to have a thunderstorm. Okay,
Miss,
which one means that the weather is cold or the temperature is cold? Is it
uh,
stratus, cumulus, or cirrus?
zero.
Cirrus means the weather is cold. What about the weather is about to change? Which type of
Uh,
cloud tells you that the weather is about to change? Hi, Batoy.
Cumulum,
okay, so the Himalampus, the
No,
before it, the
no,
before Himalampus.
no. Can you try again? Read
Wait,
the name. Yeah,
okay.
there is one type of cloud tells you that the weather is about to change.
That is the first one.
Try
I,
again.
I mean the second one.
Yes, it is cumulus, the second one. It tells you that the weather is about to change. Okay, there is one type of cloud tells you that there is gonna be rain or snow is coming. So, which
stratus.
stratus? Well done, well done, well done. All right, Habibi.
This is so
It's
easy.
really okay, really important to know what is the weather today and what is it going to be tomorrow. Why? Why scientists need to know what is going to be or what is the weather today and tomorrow? Tell me. Huh? Huh, yeah. Munia. Munia? Why would you ask about the weather? How is the weather today? Okay, how it's going to be tomorrow? Like, what about next week? Huh? Why would you want to know?
Miss, what? I have a question. Miss,
Yeah?
you called me?
Yes, Yamunia. Hi, Yamunia, tell me. Yamunia. Okay, all right. Mariuma, tell me, why would you like to know about the weather?
Hmm, I like to know if it's rainy, so I told my mom like to go downstairs so we can have fun at the rain.
Very good. Okay, what about if you are traveling somewhere?
Hmm.
Hmm.
I don't really know.
Do you think it's important to know if it's gonna be cold weather or hot weather? Is it going to be rainy, windy, or snowy? Do you think it's very
Yeah,
important? Why? Okay, why?
because sometimes the thunder can be very strong that it might attack.
Why?
And so, first of all, you need to know about the weather to keep yourself safe so you can know if
Yeah,
you are going to stay home or you
because
can
if
go out.
Miss,
because if the weather is not safe, we should we should like prepare ourselves, like to protect ourselves.
Yeah, that's right.
Miss.
Okay, what about if you are having a vacation and you are traveling? Hi, yeah, Juri, are you here, Juri? Okay,
Miss, I'm
Lin Burai.
question.
Okay, I will take your question, ya Mama. I will take your question.
Yes, miss.
Okay, can you tell me if you are traveling to somewhere, all right? Are you going to check the weather?
Yeah, sometimes.
Why? Yes, we do that all the time, but why? When you are traveling?
Because sometimes we don't know if the weather there is going to be cold, hot, rainy, or snowy, or
Okay,
even windy.
yeah, why would you know, would you want to know?
Because if maybe let's say it was snowing there and we didn't check the weather, we would go there and we won't bring a jacket or anything to warm us up, so we will
Exactly.
be cold.
That's nice. That's cool. Yes, exactly. You need to check about the weather to know what to pack, what to put inside your bag, what should you take with you, so you
Like
know
if
what
it
to
was
wear.
sunny,
Hmm.
we're gonna bring sunscreen. If it
Yes.
was if it was rainy, we're gonna bring an umbrella. If it
Yeah,
was like snowy, we're gonna bring a jacket.
that's
Or
right.
if it's cloudy, I don't know what we'll bring if it's cloudy.
All right, it's fine. That's right. Yes, that's right. You need to know what is the weather going to be, so you know what to pack, and also you can know what are the activities we are going
So
to do. What are the activities you can do in snow? What are the activities you can do in a
I've never
sunny
seen
weather?
snow in real life actually.
If it's very sunny, I think
I
we would
did.
go to the beach. But if it's
I've never
snowy,
seen
I
snow.
may go to ice skating with my kids. So we need to learn about the weather and check about the
Miss.
weather. If it's going to be sunny, windy, or even if it's windy, I don't think it's good to go outside of the house because it might hurt us or it might annoy us. So, yes, knowing about the weather is really important. So today,
Miss
girls,
Dina.
we're going to talk about how can you measure the weather? How can you measure the weather if it's too hot or cold? You are going to measure the temperature. If you want to know if the weather is cold or hot, you need to use a thermometer to measure the weather. This is a thermometer. Can you see? The first one is a thermometer. Let me put a square on it. When we are sick, okay, sometimes you get fever. That's right. Okay, what does it mean, fever? Who can tell me? Hi, Yasmina. What does it mean, fever?
Yes.
Yasmina يا روحي. What does it mean you have fever?
It means you're sick.
Okay, it means you're sick and you are feeling so much, or your body is what?
Your body
Is very hot or cold?
hot.
Very hot. Excellent. Okay. Do your mom check your how much is your body hot?
Not always.
Okay, when you go to hospital, do they check how much your body is cold or hot?
Yes.
Okay, when they check your body, how much is it cold or how much is it hot? What they are checking using a thermometer? They are checking what? What do we call it?
I didn't hear you.
Okay, okay, thank you, Yasmina. Habibi, when you the hospital or your mommy check how hot or cold is your body. They are checking what? What do we call it? They are
Miss,
checking the
actually, I know.
Miss,
how
I know it.
temperature is
I
mean.
know it.
Temperature.
Excellent, excellent. So they are checking the temperature. So when we ask how something cold or hot is, we're asking about the temperature. How can we measure the temperature? We use a thermometer. And the thermometer is a tube filled with a liquid. When the air gets hot, very hot, the liquid goes up or goes down? Who can tell me? Yeah, Yara. Yara.
It goes up.
Excellent. It goes up, up, up. When the temperature is hot, very hot, it goes up, up, and up. When it's cool, when the air gets cooler, what do you think the fluid will go? Where does the fluid will go?
I know down.
Excellent. It will go down. When it's cold, it will go down. Very good. Very good. Okay. We can measure the temperature with using a thermometer. When it's 20, sometimes we can say 20 Celsius, and sometimes Celsius degree, and we can say it is 65 Fahrenheit. So we have two types of degrees. When you are talking about temperature, we have two types of degrees. We can use Fahrenheit and we can use Celsius. Okay, most of them in America, they use Fahrenheit. When you ask about the weather, what is the temperature of the weather, they will tell you, for example, it is 40 Fahrenheit degree. But here in Saudi Arabia, we use Celsius. For example, right now, who knows what is the temperature today? Hmm, Who knows? What is the temperature today in Jeddah?
Miss, did you call me?
No, it is 22 Celsius. So here in Saudi Arabia, what do we use? Fahrenheit or Celsius?
Celsius.
Yes,
Yes.
excellent, excellent. Most of them in America, they use Fahrenheit. Now, if the weather temperature is above zero, so it might rain, okay, 0 Celsius. It might rain, okay? But if it's below zero, do you think we are having rain or snow?
Below zero is gonna be snow.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now we measured the air temperature using a thermometer, okay? We used a thermometer to measure the air temperature, all right? Okay. And we had rain, okay? We had rain in our place. Do you think we can measure how much rain
There's
did
one
it
for
come?
the weather. There's a thermometer one for the weather.
Yes, there's a thermometer
For
for
the
the
rain.
weather. Yes, that's right. There's a thermometer for the weather, and there's a thermometer for humans like us. Yes, that's right. And there's a thermometer for food. So whenever you are trying to measure how hot or cold something is, you can use a thermometer. Okay, Habibi, I want to ask you, how much rain did it fall? Okay, when we have so much rain came in our place in Jeddah, for example, we can measure how much rain did it fall by using a rain god. Take a look at this rain god. This is a tube, okay? We put it outside, so the water, when the rain falls, it falls inside the tube, and we can measure how much rain did it fall. Can you see? We can know how much inch did it fall. Using what? What do we use to measure the rain? We use a rain gauge. What do we call it? A rain gauge.
A
Say it
rain
after me.
gauge.
A rain
Excellent.
god.
Excellent.
A
So a
rain
rain
gauge.
gauge measures what? The rainfall. So when you look at the weather, okay, you will look at the water in the gauge over here. You will read the number where the water line up with the scale. All right. So rain can be measured in centimeters or inches. You can say we had 2 inches of rainfall, or you can say we had 4 centimeters of rainfall. So when you are asking how much rain did we have today, you are going to tell me that we had about 4 inches of rainfall. You will tell me, oh, that's a lot. It can be a lot and it can be very little. We can measure how much rain did it fall on Jeddah by using a rain gauge. Finally, today,
Miss, can I tell you something about
yes,
this?
after
About the
we finish.
chicken?
Yes, so we can after we finish. Yeah, Batul, please, يا ماما. طيب. So finally, the last thing we are going to learn today about is you can measure also the wind vane. Sorry, the wind. How much the wind is coming or in which direction it's going. I need to know, where is the wind going? From where did it come? How can I know? I'm gonna use a wind vane. Can you look at the chicken over here? This is not a chicken, this is a hen. Okay? We call this a wind vane. It has what? It has 4 arrows. Can you explain to me, Abatul, what are these arrows?
Yes, there's north and south and east and west.
Excellent. So
Those
it is
like
explaining the directions, the north, south, east, and west. What about the hen,
yeah,
ya Batul? What is the use of the hen? Why there is a hen up over here?
the hen is used like you can see in the hen
Mm-hmm.
like its ways. The way of it is west. So like maybe their wind. So from the west, the wind came.
Okay. No, I think it's the opposite. So
Like
take a look, yeah, Batul. Uh, 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 take a look at this hen. Where does the hen look? It, huh? Where does it look? Hi, Batul,
it's
tell
like
me.
to the
Look
left,
to the
to
east or to the west?
the west, to the west.
Excellent. So it's looking at the west. So now you can know that the wind is coming from east to the west. So the hen tells you from where does the wind start and where it ends. It starts from the east and ends at the west. This is why we have a hen top of the wind vane. There is another device, we call it wind meter. A wind meter will measure how fast the wind blows. So you can this device outside and you can measure how fast the wind is going. So wind vane show you directions, okay, from where the wind is coming and from where it will end. But wind meter can show you how fast the wind blows. All right, Habibi, I have a video to give you. We are going to write down the next period tomorrow, but right now we are having a small video to watch. Okay, Habibi, let's say bye-bye to recording now.